Alright guys, ladies and gentlemen, in this tutorial we are going to continue doing justice to what we have been doing before. So in the last video we talked about where do we trade cryptocurrencies, and we said we would trade cryptocurrencies on the Binance platform. Okay, we trade cryptocurrencies on the Binance platform, and we also visited the Binance platform. We took a walk around, a brief walk around the Binance platform, and in this video we'll be taking a look at how to trade cryptocurrencies. Mind you, we are taking it step by step. So if we go back to our little table of contents, we said what are cryptocurrencies, we've done that. Key takeaways, we've done that. What is cryptocurrency trading, we have done that. Where to trade cryptocurrencies, we have done that. I said it's on Binance. So now we want to take a look at how to trade cryptocurrencies. So about cryptocurrencies, in this tutorial we took a look at 3 key questions about cryptocurrencies: what cryptocurrency trading is, where to trade cryptocurrencies, and how to trade cryptocurrencies. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, if you know you are not following this video properly, if you are still having a bit difficult about this tutorial, if you are still finding it a bit difficult, I implore you go through these videos twice or thrice, and I think you'll be good to go. And if you have any other questions, you keep asking your questions on the Telegram group. But that's where I'm building my community, building the community of like mind. So you ask the questions on our Telegram group, where the community is really going to go big. Because there are big prospects, and I'm going to always be there for you. Ask me whatever thing you want to ask me when you digest this tutorial, and you think you have any questions to ask, please do that in the Telegram group. Okay, so we'll continue with how to trade cryptocurrency. So we'll go forward, forward slide. Talked about where, right now is how. Okay, so how to trade cryptocurrencies, and I said basically cryptocurrency trading is the act of speculating. So the off here is the act of speculating on cryptocurrency price movements. Basically, that's what we do. That is what they do. That's what everybody do. You speculate on cryptocurrency price movements. What do I mean? When you see experts speculating using various technical analysis tools, what they are doing actually is they are trying to forecast the market. Okay, they are trying to forecast the market. It's not different from what these betting experts do on sports betting sites. Okay, you forecast the game. Okay, you forecast the game and say, okay, this team will win in the next, because in the last game they played this, so this one most likely. So people that are into betting, okay, that is what they do. Okay, and that is similar to this. Okay, what the experts do, especially people that use manual trading methods. We are not using manual trading methods, but in the manual trading method, what they do there is they forecast the trade. So for example, they will tell you a particular coin is, right now the coin is $15. Okay, they will tell you a particular coin right now is $15. Particular coin right now is $15. Okay, and particular coin right now is $15, and they want to buy now because it's low. It's $15, and they want to buy. They'll tell you to buy. Okay, it's okay. Signal has come, buy. In the next 2-3 hours, the price will go up to $20. Sell, so you get $5 gain. That is basically how the market is. Okay, so I don't want you to stick your head and think of how you can. We are not expert traders. Okay, the robot will do the expert trading for us. That's the beauty of it. So, however, you need to know these are the little stuffs about cryptocurrency. So you need to know that price always goes up and down. The price goes up and down. Okay, so that's how the price movement is. The price goes up and down. price goes up and down. So when the price is down, you buy. When the price is low, is high, you sell and you take the profit. I think it's clearer now. So the trading methods are two types of. There are basically two ways of trading crypto: manual trading methods by the experts, and the automated trading methods made possible by robotics and artificial intelligence. So what I'm saying is there are two ways that people trade: manual trading methods and the automatic trading methods, or the automated trading methods. Okay. However, the manual trading methods, these are the ones carried out by experts. What they do mostly is that they forecast the markets. Okay, they forecast the market as you said earlier. They speculate. So okay, price is now at this, and in the next 12 hours the price will go up or it will come down. So when is the best time to buy? You buy when price is down, and you sell when price is up. So that is what they forecast, and they use various technical analysis tools that you don't need to know now. Don't bother yourself about that. We are trading with the robots, so you don't. But you need to know some basics. As I said earlier, price goes up, price goes down, you buy. Price goes up, they sell. Okay. Now, in doing that, they use technical analysis tools like RSI, like volume. They use MACD, etc. These are technical analysis tools that will enable them forecast the market. But in automated trading methods, all these technical analysis, you don't need to do any of them. You don't need to kill your head. Okay? You don't need to kill your head. You don't need to sit in front of your computer or your phone for a long time monitoring trades when it will go up or when it will come down. This robot, known as Royal Q, will do all the analysis for you, because the robot do not focus on the market, rather he moves with the market. The robot, take note, you might not hear this thing anywhere. The robot, he does not focus the market, rather he moves in real time with the market. So when the market goes down, he buys. When the market comes up, he sells. It goes up again, it goes down again, he buys. It comes down, it goes down again, he buys. It comes up, he sells. It goes down again, he buys. It goes down again, he buys. It goes down again, he buys. We wait for the market to come up, he will sell all the trade for you. So he moves according to market condition at real time. That is the difference between artificial intelligence and manual trading methods. Manual trading methods, they forecast the market, they speculate on the market. Market is like this now, most likely in the next 24 hours the market will be this way. So you can buy here, by that time you sell when the market goes up. Okay? But the robot the robot is fast, because it's not a human being, it's fast, he moves real time, buys the market, sell the market, and give you your money, give you your profits. Okay? Alright, so in this presentation we will focus squarely on automated trading methods with a unique robot known as Royal Q. And this robot we are promoting is called Royal Q because it's distinctive and near risk-free operations. It's near risk because you don't lose any of your capital. You won't lose your capital. Okay? The robot will only trade for you with profit. So with this robot, you don't lose a trade. We'll talk more about that. I'll go down this as we continue this presentation. We'll talk more about that, but I want you to know one thing about this robot. Two unique factors about this robot. One is that the robot do not make any losses. There is no loss when the robot is trading for you. Number two, the robot do not have access to your account, to your Binance account. It doesn't have access to your Binance funds. What it does is only to go to Binance and trade for you. That's why we say your asset is your fund is safe. That's one thing I want to guarantee you, that your fund in Binance is safe, because this robot is an artificial intelligent software. So people do not want to give their money to a software to keep, okay, or a robot to keep for them. Do you understand what I mean? If you keep if this robot have access to your money, I will not be talking about this robot, because I don't want a software to be having access to my money. Okay? But right now your money is outside the control of this robot, and we are going to be talking more about that in our group. So join the group after going through this video. Click on that link and join the group. Okay? So that is one two unique factors about this robot. It doesn't have access to your phone, one, and it doesn't give you a loss while it trades. So that is the beauty about this robot, and this robot has come to take away poverty from the lives of people. So if you know your finances is low, if you know you are struggling with your finances, if you know your income is very little, your payment, your monthly income is little, you are finding it difficult to take care of your basic needs, let alone other important needs. If you are finding things in that, if you find yourself in that position, I implore you to take this tutorial very seriously. Join that group, join the group so that you learn more. You don't need to learn much, but you learn more. You learn more than you know, because knowledge is power. And if you are not informed, you are deformed. So if you are seeing this information right now, and you feel you can just see it and go and sleep back, when you know you have financial crisis, you know you have financial issues, you know you need to do more about your finances, then you are doing more of disservice to yourself. You are doing yourself more hate than love. If you see this video and you don't act on this video, you don't join our group, you don't register with this robot, you don't use the registration link, you don't register, you don't join the group, then you are doing yourself a disservice, and you might regret it. I tell you, because this is one of the easiest ways to make money. So if you know if you just have some amount of money lying down in the bank and doing nothing, why not just bring it and put it in Binance? Let this robot go to Binance and trade for you. Okay? Or if you can have access to where you can get money without interest, get the money and put into Binance. Let the robot trade for you and you make money. Okay? That's one way of making money. Then the second way is to promote the robots, of which we'll be doing in our group. Okay? All right, so let's continue. So we say how to trade cryptocurrency using the Royal Key robot to earn 10% to 50% profit per month of your capital without much effort. Okay. All right. So that is the next subtopic. So let's go back to our topic. Let's go back to our mini table of contents. We have looked at what cryptocurrencies are. We also took a look at key takeaways about cryptos. We also looked at what is cryptocurrency trading. We've done that. We also talked about where to trade cryptocurrencies. We've done that. And recently we talked about how to trade cryptocurrencies. Okay, we've talked about that now, and we said there are two ways that you trade cryptocurrencies. You trade it manually using an expert, or you trade it automatically or automatedly using this robot, Royal Key robot. Okay, and right now we're on the number 6 subtopic: how to trade cryptocurrencies using the Royal Key robot to earn between 10% to 50% per month profit of your capital without much effort. So what we are saying that if you use this robot then for the month you earn between 10% to 20% of your capital. That's what it means, and that's what the robot will do for you. Okay, so let's go back to that topic and continue. So all right, to say how to trade cryptocurrency using the Royal Key robot to earn between 10% to 50% profit per month of your capital without much effort. I'm stressing on it without much effort, because the robot will do most of the work for you. This robot here, this is a pictorial representation of the robot. I can see him here. Okay, so he's going to walk into Binance. You're going to crawl. We call it crawling. You crawl into a Binance platform. Okay, the Binance platform. Okay, and trade on your behalf. So you don't need to trade. So the experts, the manual guys the experts that do it manually, they spend a lot of time. They spend a whole lot of time, and because they are human beings, there are some issues that you have trading. Okay, forecasting the market, when you forecast, sometimes it will not work. Sometimes that's why you see them losing a whole lot of money. Right now, I'm even settling a case between a forex trader who used people's money, collected people money to trade for them on their behalf, to give them certain percentage, and the trade collapsed, and over 40 million naira. Right now, it's a case with the Nigerian police, and you know, that's the way these things are. But with this robot, you don't need anybody to trade for you. Okay, as we are going to see, You don't need anybody to trade for you. Just do some manual settings. Okay, manual settings. When you finish the settings, you click start, and the settings will not take you more than 2 minutes. You are done with your settings, and boom, you click start and you start trading. Or you go and take your, you synchronize with experts on the platform. Okay, we are going to see all these things. We are going to learn all these little stuff that will enable us get started. Okay, in the group. Okay, so let's continue. You say, what is this Royal Q trading robot? Now I've talked about this robot. So what is this robot? The Royal Q trading bot is a computer program based on a set of cryptocurrency trading signals that helps determine whether to buy or sell a crypto pair at any given point in time. So this robot will determine, okay, it's a computer program that is based on a set of crypto trading signals that is incorporated into the artificial intelligence system of the robot that will help to determine whether to buy or to sell. So what it determines is it to buy or to sell? So when will he buy? He will buy when the price is low, and he will sell when the price is high. That's what he does. Okay? And what we will trade is always a cryptocurrency pair. We always trade in pairs. For example, let me pick my pen. You see, if we want to trade, for example, you want to trade bitcoins. Okay, sorry. Let me take my highlighter. Okay, so sorry. Okay, this is where we are, right? Okay, now for example, you want to trade bitcoins. You trade bitcoins against a currency. So bitcoins is represented by, short form of bitcoins is BTC. Okay, BTC, that is the short form for Bitcoin. So you trade it against the US dollar. Okay, let me come here. So it's a BTC. I just want you to know this. BTC oblique or stroke USDT. This is what you see. USDT. Okay, this is what you see. So we always trade in pairs. So the BTC is against the USD, meaning one BTC is how much in US dollars? Currently, one BTC is about 60,000 US dollars. So one BTC is 60,000 US dollars. Okay, that's how we trade. So you buy the BTC in USDT, or you use the BTC and buy USDT. So it's always against a particular currency. Sometimes it can be between BTC and any other currency. But what the robot trades for you is the cryptocurrency against the dollar. Okay, any other currency against the dollar. So we use the dollar to buy the crypto asset and trade the crypto asset. When the price is low, we buy in dollars. When the price is high, we sell. Okay, and collect the money in dollars. Just understand it that way. Okay, by the time we go deeper, you understand. But just understand that we trade cryptocurrency in pairs. Not only, we cannot just trade Bitcoin like that. Bitcoin against what? Because if you are going to the market now to buy, say, a television set, you use the naira and buy the television set. So you are trading against the television. You want to know what is the value of the TV set against the naira. So that is the way it is on trading too. Okay, all right. So let's continue. They said these bots help automate the analysis and interpretation of the market statistics, as I said earlier, and they can gather market data, they interpret it, calculate the potential market risk. That's what it does. It calculates the potential market. That's why it will never sell for you when the market is low. You have to wait. You will wait until the market is high before you sell. That's why sometimes we explain what's called a floating loss. Floating losses are not real losses, as you'll find out later. Let's not digress. Okay? And execute buying and selling crypto assets on your behalf without ever losing your money. I've said it earlier. You never lose money because the robot will never sell if there is a loss. Robots like Royal Q are designed to automate crypto trading on your behalf, so you do not encounter losses like manual trading. So as I said earlier, I've talked much about this, so let's continue. Just think of it as hiring a cryptocurrency trading expert to do your crypto trading while you can sit back and watch the profits grow. So in crypto trading with these robots, you just think of it as you are hiring an expert, a manual. That's what we call manual trading. You know, people hire experts, as I said earlier. People give their money to trading experts to trade for them. I've mentioned earlier and in some cases it has resulted into huge losses, and huge losses that even involved case with authorities like police and other stuff. So, but this robot is like you are giving your money to an expert to trade for you, okay? Not a manual expert. This time around, it's a robot, okay, that is trading for you, so there are no losses. Just sit down, you watch your profits grow. You, on the other hand, need to pay attention to market statistics in trading and then pick which currency to trade and at what time. So, from time to time, if you don't know, if you are just starting, you don't need to worry. If you're in my group, we'll send you signals, okay? We'll send you signals on the currency pair to trade, okay? The crypto pair to trade. Do you understand? I hope you get what I'm saying. We'll send you signals, we'll call them signals. We'll send you signal, okay, trade this thing at this time, okay? So we'll send you a signal, you just go to your robots and place the trade, okay? Now, the Royal Q crypto trading bots can often save you a lot of time and are more cost effective than hiring human experts. Of course, they are more cost effective. With this robot with just $120, you have activated the robot for the whole year and you continue to trade. Cheaper, far cheaper than hiring a human expert. The truth is, cryptocurrencies are known for being extremely volatile, and the majority of time, prices fluctuate drastically, even in the space of minutes. So traders in many cases are unable to react quickly enough to changes in the market price to achieve their trading goals. So I've said it earlier, that's why human trading efforts are not reliable, because you might not react quickly to market change. But this change in prices sometimes be so fast. Between seconds and minutes, you see prices have dropped so drastically, okay, or prices have gone up so drastically. So you see that if you are using manual trading, you won't be able to forecast the market, and because the market is moving really fast, maybe you are not there on your computer set, or maybe you don't even take cognizance of the fact that the market has moved so fast, and before you know it, you have lost a trade. But with this robot, he monitors everything in the market and he moves in real time, as I said earlier, okay? So this is where cryptocurrency robots like RoyalQ robot gets into the picture. They are nothing but automated tools that conduct trades and execute transactions on behalf of the users. So when you give it what it wants, give it the settings, when you set it the way you want, you just go and sleep, okay? And the robot will do the trading on your behalf. Now that we have known what this software does, how does it work? How does this software work? Now, in order to use the RoyalQ trading robot, users need to integrate the app with a third-party exchange or a trading platform. Currently, RoyalQ only integrates with the following exchange platforms: Binance and Owobi. I've said that before. Your fund will be in your money will be in your Binance account. That is the trading platform. That is the exchange I talked about earlier. Your money will be in your exchange platform, which is Binance, and the robots, you will now connect the robot through API binding. We'll do that in our group through what's called API binding. We'll do that in our group. I think the tutorial is there, or if it's not there, I'll look for it. It's there. The group is growing, so most of the questions that you'll be asking after seeing this video tutorial will be answered in the group. So please do yourself a favor, do everyone a favor, including yourself, including me, including your household, including your financial future. Do it a favor, okay? When you finish going through these videos, you will click on the buttons that I will direct you on what they are. Each of those buttons, I will tell you what they are, so that you know exactly what you're doing, okay? So you click on any of the buttons that will tell you what to click, so that you join the group and carry out your registration, okay? All right, so as I said earlier, this is the robot will trade on your behalf. And how does the software work? We said it works by integrating or connecting the software to the Binance platform or Huobi platform. We are using Binance, as I said earlier, it's Binance. So we connect it to Binance and the robot will trade for you. You just do what's called integration with an API. An API stands for application programming interface. If you're a software developer and if you're hearing an API, you understand what I'm talking about. But for you that's not a software developer, you don't need to know anything about API. I will show you in the video how you connect the robots to the Binance platform with the API. Very simple, very easy. When I say very easy, it's very easy. Okay. So to get started, you have to register an account with Royal Q by clicking on the red button just below this video. So if you look below this video, you see a red button. You click on that red button. When you click on the red button, you go and register for your Royal Q account. Okay. You register with your Royal Q account. That is my link, because those are using my link to register are the ones that will move to the VIP group where we're doing serious business. Okay. I've set a timeline for me and my circle. I've set a timeline, and the timeline between 6 months to 1 year. Between 6 months to 1 year, we're all big. Within 6 months to 1 year, everybody in my circle should be earning nothing less than $50 per day. Everybody in my circle, between now to the next 6 months to 1 year, everybody in my circle, whether to the least of my circle, should be earning between $50 to $500 per day. That is my promise to you, and that's why I tell you, click on that red button, register with your register on with the robot, register, carry out registration with the robot. When you register with the robot, you also click on the other button to join the Telegram group, because that is where we'll be doing most of the things. All the questions you want to ask, everything that's bothering you, anything at all, even if it's a stupid question, ask it. Very stupid question, ask it. Okay, because I want to carry everybody along, and I want everybody to make money while you sleep. Imagine, who doesn't like to make money while you're sleeping? Who doesn't like to make money while you're doing other things? It's amazing, right? Okay. So, as you said, to get started, you have to register an account with Royal Q by clicking on the red button just below this video. So you see a red button, you click on it, as I said earlier. After your registration, download the app from Google Play Store for Android users and the Apple Store for iOS. So if after your registration, you just go to your Play Store. If you're using Android like me, if you're using iPhone, you can go to your respective stores, download the app. Is there. Just click on the search button, type in Royal Q. You see the app will pop up. You click on it and download and install. It's fast and easy, just like you download any other app. Okay, it's a software, it's an app. Though it's a robot, but it's an app, it's a software. Okay. Now, if you don't already have an account with Binance, you can also create one by clicking on the link I'll be showing you. Okay, there is a button I want to drop for you for Binance too, so you can register on Binance through my link. But if you do, just log into your Binance account to connect your Royal Q app with your Binance API keys to start trading with the app. Okay, so for Binance, I will also keep a link. Okay, I'll also keep a link below this video for you to get started with Binance. Okay. All right, let's continue. However, to start using the Royal Q app, it costs an activation fee of $120. That is 120 USDT. It's actually US dollar, but when it's on the Binance, when it's on the trading platform, it becomes Theta. That's why you see that T there. So it's 120 US dollar Theta on Tron 20. This is a blockchain network that we use to transfer the money. We call it Tron 20. Okay. So out of this $120, $100 for 1 year subscription, and the remaining $20 is for gas fuel. So we'll talk much about this $20, how Royal Q, how the company charges this $20. But basically, the $120, $100 is for renting of the robot for 1 year. That you are paying about $8 point something or thereabout per year. I mean per month for the robot, because it's $100 per month per year. So if you break it down to 1 month, it's about $8 point something per month. That is the $100. The $20 is the gas fee or gas fuel. That is where they'll be deducting their charges. Okay, their little charges from this $20, because I said earlier, the robots do not have access to your money. Okay, so the only money you are giving them is this $20. That is where they charge their profits. I mean, they charge from your profits. Little, very small fees for them and for you, and they only charge you when you make profit. When there is a profit, the robot collects small money from this $20, and that is the same money he shares. The company shares to all people, all their customers in the network. Okay, so everybody in your network, in your team, as you're building your team, all the money comes from this $20. They share it around. They are very generous. When we get to the promotion aspect of this robot, we'll talk more about this $20 and this $100. Okay, so let's continue. The gas fuel is a tiny fee the bot charges whenever it picks a trade by yourself for you. So whenever it picks a trade and sells, you make profit. Whenever you make profits, you collect from the gas fee. Okay, this $20. All right. Now the actual trading capital is going to be in your Binance or Wobby account. I've said that earlier. The robot do not have access to your account. Your actual money is in your Binance account where it is secure and safe. Very safe. I'll show you that. Okay. So there's restricted access to your funds. The robot do not have access to your funds. You only give him $120. Okay, and you can start your trade. That is the money you give him. I will show you. You transfer this money to his wallet. This $120, you transfer it from your Binance wallet to the robot wallet, the Royal Q wallet, the app. Will show you how to do that. I will show you. Okay, in our group, I will show you. This is the only money he has access to. $120 is the only money the robot has access to. Doesn't have access to any of your monies again. That's why we say your money is what? Highly secure. So say the actual trading capital is going to be in your Binance or Wobby account, so there's restricted access to your funds. However, to start using the Royal Q app, it costs an activation fee of 120 USDT on the Tron 20 chain network, $100 for 1 year subscription, and the remaining $20 for gas fee. I've said that before. The gas fee is a tiny fee the bot charges whenever it picks a trade or sell a trade. So I'm repeating this so you understand. I'll try to bring it up again so you understand, because most people don't understand this. The robot do not have access to your account. It doesn't have access to your money. You cannot withdraw from your money in Binance. That's what it means. He can only trade for you. The only money you give to this robot is $100 to hire the robot for 1 year and $20 for gas fee. And the gas fee is where he will be deducting the charges whenever he places a trade for you and there is a profit. So you just collect small money, small charge, and that charge is 20%. So whenever you make a trade, for example, he makes a trade for you and you make a profit of say $3. From that $3, you will collect 20% and give you 80%. So he give you 80% of $3 and collect 20% of $3. That's how it works. Okay, so 20% of $3 from this $20. Okay, and it's from that 20% he will still distribute, okay, 70% of that 20% to your network. I mean to your downlines. Okay. All right. Don't worry. We'll come when we come to the promotion aspect of it. I mean the network marketing aspect of which is where the big money is. I've said earlier this is where the big money is. We'll know more about this. I will explain more. So let's continue. In fact, you have total control over your money since they are all inside your Binance account. Okay, as I said earlier, the Royal Q app only uses capital in your USDT wallet, and the trader profit or loss drops in the pair wallet. So basically, the only money that goes to Royal Q is the 120 USDT activation fee. As I said earlier, whenever he trades for you and he makes profit, he drops both your capital and your profit in your Binance wallet there. He doesn't take it. He doesn't have access to it. He can only trade. He cannot take out money. Okay. Now that we have known how the robot works, how do we make money with it? So in the next video, we'll take a look at how we can make money with this robot. Right now, we have known how the robot works, and we're taking a look at how we can make money with this robot. Okay, so I will see you in the next video. Thank you.